Hello everyone, Odyssey here. Welcome back to another video of me 3D printing. So today, hopefully this stays down, it's been a pain lately. I am printing an elephant right now, or trying to attempt to print one. So here's all the other stuff that I printed. I forgot I had the supports on for it, so it didn't really turn out. Well, it turned out, but this is the support thing that you see. But it's a little Daedric sword. And then I printed an actual little sword. And then I printed a battle axe. So, and like I say, I forgot I had the supports on it. And it's failing. So what I mean by failing is, see how it's popping up in that one spot? So what you do is you come over here, and unfortunately I have to hit stop. My little trash can full of filament is right there. You're like, that's a lot of filament. I'm trying to figure out how to recycle it. And then I'm just going to pull this off of here. I don't know why it's been failing. I moved my 3D printer. You're like, the background looks different. Yeah, I moved my 3D printer upstairs to my room because I've been having some back issues with my back. I'm going to lower. Just down, up. I meant to say up. And then, no, I'm not supposed to do that, but I don't really. Come on. There we go. And then I just scoot this back. It's at 156. Sorry for the little glare. And then these are all the ones that I have. Snape's split is the Professor Snape's wand from Harry Potter. And I'm trying to do my elephant. Now, Jack Puppy was my old dog, Jack, that passed away. And then, let's see here. That's my roommate, Brittany. I'm recording a video, Miss Brittany. You want to say hi to everyone on my channel? Okay. I always ask before I do something. That's my roommate, Brittany. She's pretty cool. She's got a little white dog named Frosty, which sometimes you see on here. My elephant is all the way down here. Well, oh, not my elephant. There we go. Well, since Deadpool's coming out this week, why don't we print the Deadpool octopus? Hit start. See if it does it. And then, yeah. Oh, the sprinkler is on outside. That's why she was asking, did you get wet? And then we'll see if that starts staying down. And we'll go from there. It's heating up. It's heating up the nozzle, the bed. It likes to automatically set at 60. The nozzle likes to automatically set at 205. So here we go. Let's see if this goes. I'm going to start printing some more Deadpool stuff. There's that squiggly line that likes to do that. And this is what it likes to do. There. It is level. I think it's just a filament that it likes to do that with. And there we go. Looks like it's staying down, so. Alrighty. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Also, if you like this sort of stuff, hit that like button, subscribe, and help me grow my channel. I'm working hard to get up to 500 members.